You're running a business here in Australia. You need to do your accounts, your GST, your BAS, your year-end accounts. But what software is best if you're an Amazon entrepreneur? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you grow your own Amazon business here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know you want more information like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions for me, comment below and I'll answer it personally for you. With that being said, let's get into it. What accounting software is best for business? Okay, so I am not an accountant. It bores the hell out of me doing my books. I outsource it as soon as is humanly possible. I outsource it. I want to understand my numbers, of course, and that's important, but I don't want to be the person kind of inputting everything in. Okay, so what is the best accounting software for an Amazon business? Well, the first thing to recognize is that none of the major accounting softwares integrate with Amazon, which is wildly crazy. Like none of them will integrate and pull from Amazon's API into your thing. So Xero, for instance, doesn't do it. Just Xero does. Oh, Lynn's telling me Xero does, just to mess with my head. With A2X, yeah, I was going to say with A2X. So none of them do it straight through. But as it's been said, you can use A2X to play in between. Okay, so A2X is what I use. It's really, really good. So A2X will sync up with your Amazon store and it will drag the Amazon data out and then it will automatically input it into Xero or into QuickBooks. And they're the two I would personally suggest for your Amazon business you use, okay? So either Xero or QuickBooks. So for me, lazy, don't like doing that. It's a hassle for me. I get zero joy from doing it. It is worth paying the fee, and it's not like it's much. It's worth paying the fee to use A2X to then integrate with, in my case, Xero. Okay, that's worth it to me to do that. You'll have to make those decisions. Okay, so that's the lazy person or growing business person's way of doing it, because when your business is growing fast, you do not want to be doing shit like that. Next, this is very popular within the AOE community, Wave. So Wave is free, so it's actually, you can use this absolutely free. It doesn't get any better than that, does it? So there you go. All free for you.
Sorry, Neil. Wave isn't available in Australia anymore.
Okay, thank you so much for that. That's a good little addition to that. Who was that? All right, so Wave, unfortunately not in Australia, but the rest of the place, you can get it there, okay? So, and there's lots of people using Wave in the AOE community. And then what you'll have to do, of course, is you run your reports in Amazon, and then you would input those figures into Wave, and that's another way that you can use that. Okay, it's manual though, it ain't automated. For me, that's not good, but you may be different, you may enjoy that thing. Okay, so that's the next level of that. Final level is what I did for ages, which was just a Google Excel sheet. Google Excel sheet, I mean, you can get so much done in Excel, particularly on Google Docs now, because it's got all these great integrations that most people don't actually need any accounting software at all. Like if you're just selling one product and you're selling that one product in Australia, your accounts are not that complex. Like you haven't got a lot going on from an accounting point of view. There's no real reason why you just couldn't use a Google Doc to work out your BAS and things like that, okay? That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.